Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hello, agents. Today, we're diving into how to get your hands on the powerful Regulus exotic pistol in Division 2. This highly sought-after sidearm is a true testament to your skill and dedication. The only way to acquire it is by conquering the challenging Operation Iron Horse raid. This 8-player activity demands exceptional teamwork and precise execution of mechanics. Get ready to coordinate with your squad and embark on an epic journey for this unique weapon. Operation Iron Horse is a formidable 8-player raid set in a true Sun's foundry. You'll face 4 unique boss encounters, each with intricate mechanics that require careful strategy and communication. From Lieutenant Gray to Colonel Morozova, every boss presents a distinct challenge. A balanced team with strong damage, healing, and tanking capabilities is crucial. Successfully navigating these encounters will reward you with exclusive gear and, most importantly, the components for the Regulus. To craft the Regulus, you'll need to collect 5 unique exotic components: the revolver main frame, curved grip, engraved drum, engraved muzzle, and gold ingot. Each of the 4 bosses in Operation Iron Horse drops 1 component, with the 5th found in the final chest after defeating Morozova. These components are not guaranteed and drop once per week per boss, meaning you'll need multiple raid completions over several weeks to gather them all. After diligently collecting all 5 exotic components, your journey is almost complete. Head to the crafting bench at your base of operations. You'll also need a specific exotic pistol blueprint, which is unlocked through raid-related projects. Along with the components, you'll need standard crafting materials such as polycarbonate, carbon fiber, and receiver components. Once crafted, the Regulus is a formidable revolver, known for its unique talent that creates explosive damage upon headshot kills.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.